Okay, so today we're going to be installing our core support, which is going to require the use of our core support bushings. So this kit is for the up to 81 Camaros and Firebirds. I think the first gens also get these too if you're buying the aftermarket kits. So you're going to get 2 of these thick bushings, metal insert, 2 large washers, 2 small washers, bolts, and 2 of each of these. Now, my first confusion was it doesn't come with instructions, and I thought that these small washers, since they fit so perfectly, go inside this rubber bushing. That is not the case. So that is actually going to connect to your large bushing. So the way this is going to work is we're going to take our large bushing and we're going to put it between our frame and our core support. So it's going to go between the 2 of them. So we'll go ahead and get that installed, and it'll look something like that right here. So you have frame, the large bushing with the metal insert side down, and this metal piece sticks out through the top like so. You'll take the smaller bushing, which has a groove, take the groove side down, and that's going to fit directly on top. And then you'll take your large washer and you'll stack your large washer on top. And then the small washer is going to go on the underside of the subframe. Now this is a 79. The reason why I'm doing it differently than all the other videos is if you actually look at the tech manuals for the 79 Firebirds, 79 through 81, that these have a square hole. So it's going to be a little bit different than the videos that I saw where they had a bushing on either side. The tech manual specifically says bushing or frame, bushing, core support, bushing, secured by 1 washer with the bolt going through. So we'll take our bolt, put that all the way through. Then we're going to take our washer, and we have our lock nut. Put that through, and then we'll tighten it all down.